Shifting focus to news coming in from Battleground Bihar now, where Lalu Prasad Yadav's recent celebration of Halloween with his grandchildren has drawn the ire of the BJP, including from the Prime Minister himself. Prime Minister Modi slamming the Yadav Parivar and the RJD, saying that they celebrate all international festivals, but for them, Chhath is a drama.
साथियों, कांग्रेस का शाही परिवार, आरजेडी का शाही परिवार दुनिया भर के त्योहार मनाते हैं और विदेशी त्योहार मनाने में उनको मजा आती है। लेकिन बात जब छठ महापर्व की आती है तो ये लोग क्या कहते हैं? छठ महापर्व हमारे लिए कितना बड़ा गर्व का, अभिमान का अवसर है। ये कहते हैं ये छठ वाले तो ये सब ड्रामा कर रहे। ड्रामा क्या कह रहे हो तुम?
Payal, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Payal, this video that was tweeted by Lalu Prasad's daughter with their grandchildren has now given an issue on the platter for the BJP and the Prime Minister too, raking that up.
अरे अभी मैं लाइव पे नहीं हूं ना।
Payal, if you can hear me. We'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague Payal, who's getting us more details from on ground. But this video that you see on your screens was posted by Lalu Prasad Yadav's daughter, Rohini Acharya, with his grandchildren celebrating Halloween. This comes at a time when we had seen several comments that were made by RJD and Congress leaders during Chhath last week, dragging in the Prime Minister and his Chhath celebrations, calling it a drama, but that has now given a handle to the BJP. The Prime Minister too raking up this issue on campaign trail in Bihar, accusing the RJD and the Congress and the Mahagathbandhan of insulting Bihari traditions, festivals like Chhath, but indulging in international festivals and partaking in international holidays like Halloween. Payal, I believe, is now with us, getting us more details on this. Payal, this video that has been tweeted by Rohini Acharya has now triggered a massive political face-off ahead of elections in Bihar.
Well, of course, that is something which is going to be there, and that is something the Prime Minister definitely has raised, and multiple people will continue to raise. That there is a lot of multiple voices coming in from the Yadav Parivar as well. Already you've seen voices of dissent coming in from the family itself, and this kind of video now being released is also going to spark a new controversy of sorts as well. Of course, the Prime Minister reminding the Lalu Parivar that they stand as a divided house. They've been completely taken control over by the Congress party, and the Congress party is actually putting a katta, which is of course a gun, on their head and making them do things, and the Congress party is never going to accept Tejaswi Yadav as his chief ministerial face. It's an alliance of majboori is what the Prime Minister and the other leaders of the BJP really have been saying. So very interesting times as we wait for the next 48 hours or so, because in the next 24 hours the campaigning will start for the first phase of election.
Now, all of this began when Rahul Gandhi was making that comment last week on campaign trail when he accused the Prime Minister of indulging in drama. That's what has triggered this entire face-off over Chhath and over Bihari traditions, and insults coming in to that particular instance from both sides. Both sides seem to be pushing forth with that it is the Bihari tradition and the Bihari culture that's being insulted.
Well, absolutely. There's no doubt whatsoever, Poonam, that no matter which part of the country or which part of the world you are, you will definitely want to come back home for Chhath, because it's a big festival, and women are at the center stage of it. Women pray for the welfare of the family, and that's why they pray to the sun god. That's the tradition which is said to be, and it's one of the most toughest festivals and one of the most toughest fasts, because women have to fast for many hours together, or the Chhattis have to fast for many hours together as well. To mock that and really say that the Prime Minister wants to go ahead and dance on any festival, that's completely uncalled for. Various arrangements have been made, not just in Bihar, but across the entire country, this time around, for people to celebrate Chhath. We've seen what had happened in Delhi as well, and we've seen that preparation taking place in various parts of the country. And to call the Chhattis, in this disrespectful manner, to mock fun of them, and why Tejaswi Yadav not answered back what Rahul Gandhi was really saying, makes one really believe that Tejaswi Yadav probably also thinks that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was doing natak, which clearly means that he also insults the women. That's the question that the BJP seems to be asking, and the attack is being led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself.
Absolutely, and this is just the latest in a string of political fireworks that we have seen in